I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. How much money we make on YouTube. Let's go. Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back. I'm Peter from Mr. Money TV, and today we'll be talking about how much YouTube pay us for 50,000 subscribers. So if you have a YouTube channel, or you plan to start one and you just want to get inspired, or maybe you're just curious. Well, whatever the reason is, today we will be showing you how much money we make a month with 50,000 subscribers on YouTube and some of our thoughts along the way as we started this journey. So before we start, could you do us a simple favor by smashing the like button, because that will really help us with the YouTube algorithm. We really appreciate it. So this is what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna start by telling you why we even decided to make this video, then some history about this channel, and finally how much we are making each month from YouTube with 50,000 subscribers. Feel free to skip to any parts that you are interested in, but if you prefer to stay through the whole video, a special thank you to you. Well, let's begin. The reason we are doing this is because we know you just can't resist a juicy content like this, you busybody. And secondly, it's a way of saying thank you to our subscribers for being a part of this journey. Well, the truth is, we wouldn't be able to reach this place without your support. And we would really like to share this success with you and having you to continue being a part of this journey. Well, even if you may not feel like it, but to me and to our team, you are part of Mr. Money TV team to spread financial literacy to all people. So thank you once again. And finally, most importantly, Mr. Money TV is all about inspiring you to make more money and get smarter with money. So we hope this video will inspire you to build a side hustle for yourself, especially for those who are thinking about building your own YouTube channel as a side hustle. So what got us to start Mr. Money TV? Well, it is because when I first started learning about money, I realized it really wasn't easy finding relevant information online. Firstly, most of the information available at that time was mostly content from the US, and it was not that relatable to myself at that point. For example, they will advise you to save money and buy a cheap car, and in US the definition of cheap car is 2,000 bucks. They talk about cooking at home to save money, but we all know this one thing: if you're not living with your family in PJ or KL area, cooking one person
can be as costly as eating out.
So what are you talking about? Then we move on to talk about retirement. Well, in US they have 401k, but Malaysia we have EPF. It's a different thing altogether. The point is, when I first graduated, I found it really difficult to access quality educational content that's relevant to me living in Malaysia. So in December of 2018, we started this channel to provide good quality financial education content that is relevant to us Asians in Southeast Asia. I still recall the first video production was so bad compared to our video today. Hi, I'm Mr. Money. Today I want to share with you how you can start investing with just 1,000 ringgit. I actually went out into the streets to interview people, asking them how will they invest 1,000 ringgit. And fun fact that you might want to know is that it took me more than a week to make that video. I spent 2 days going out interviewing people. Then I spent another 4 days recording it in my previous office. Then the remaining days of it, I had to learn how to edit it, and the quality of that video was so bad.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because...
Well, the point I'm telling you this is, it's okay to start small. You don't need the best camera or best skill to start. As long as you got a phone with the capability of capturing a video, then you can start building a YouTube channel. And this applies not just to YouTube channel, but in every other career that you plan to start. You don't need the best tools, you don't need the best skill. All you need to do is start. Just start with what you are able to do and learn to improve from there. Anyway, fast forward to today. Mr. Money TV is a media content company that produces digital edutainment content. From the past, it was just me alone, to today we have a team. And now, looking ahead, we would like to create even more content to help people to get smarter with money and make more money. All this wouldn't have happened without your support. It's been really encouraging for us when we get feedback from you telling us how our content has inspired you, how it helped you to get better with money, how it got you started in investing. Well, all this is what keeps us going on. So thank you once again. Before we move on further, here's a word from our sponsor for today. So, you've done your fundamental and technical analysis, but what's next? The truth is, stock price doesn't just go up or down for no reason. There has to be triggers. And these triggers come in the form of information. But with all the news in the market today, it's difficult to differentiate between useful information and noises. Even if you are able to, you may not have the luxury of time to filter this information out. That is why, through our market update community, our team of experts with more than 10 years market experience will do the hard work of filtering the noise for you to bring you the most useful and updated information, helping you to make day-to-day investment decisions. Join us for a 7 days free trial today to gain knowledge, be informed, and filter out noise to make the best investment decision for yourself. Terms and conditions apply. Well, let's get to the main subject of this video today, which is how much money do we make a month on YouTube? First, to get paid on YouTube, you need to first qualify as a YouTube partner. This means that you need to have 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel and your video must generate 4,000 watch time hours over the last 12 months. You also have to comply with all YouTube's policy and guidelines. And finally, you need to have an AdSense account set up. As a YouTube partner, you get to share the revenue from the ad placement. The idea is when brands pay YouTube to place an advertisement on our video content, like the ones that you probably had to watch when you click into this video and halfway through in this video and all these banners that you see down here, well, we as content creator get a share of that payment through a revenue sharing system. After establishing this channel for 1 year, in December of 2019, we finally became a YouTube partner. Yay! This means we get ad revenue share from YouTube. Money! So, in December 2019, we got our first paycheck and it was 15 USD. Well, it's a small amount, just 15 USD, which was roughly around 60 ringgit, but it's okay. As the channel grew and more people watch our video, it was growing. Then fast forward to March 2021, which was around 2 months ago, our channel finally reached 50,000 subscribers. And our income for that month was $984.66 USD. That's around 4,000 ringgit Malaysian. Well, although it's a small amount, but we're still glad. Although it's not like $1 million from other YouTubers who make millions like Graham Stephan or other people, right? But it's okay, we're proud of it and we are grateful. Nonetheless, the good side is, as this channel grows, we hope to grow our income as well. Hopefully one day we can be like other channel making millions just from AdSense. So once again, thank you and smash the like button to help us with the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.